So here's today's question. How often should I have my carpets professionally cleaned? So most manufacturers of carpet require that your carpets are professionally cleaned once every 12, 18, or 24 months to maintain your warranties. So this isn't too dissimilar to like having your car require you to have your oil changed on a 3 to 5,000 mile schedule, or to have your tires rotated. And so you have to, when you have it professionally cleaned, they usually recommend what they call a hot water truck mounted extraction method. And so it needs to be professionally done. And so if you ever file a claim on your carpet, they will ask you for receipts proving that you had your carpet cleaned on schedule. Otherwise, you void your warranty. So it's just good to know that it maintains the quality of your carpet. I mean, if you think about it, carpet is fabric, and we always kind of joke around, especially if somebody wants to buy white carpet. It'd be like putting a white shirt on the ground and walking on it every day. You'd want to at least clean it at least once every year and a half to 2 years to keep it looking nice. So it's important. If you ever have any questions on your warranty, please reach out to the store or your dealer that you bought from, and they'll be able to walk you through what's required, because you do not want to lose your warranty further down the road by not cleaning your carpet. So if you have any other questions on this, please feel free to reach out, and we answer every question whenever possible. And thanks for watching.